First down, Chicago. They lead it 7-3. Reitman in motion. Gentry wrapped up by Jesse Penn, number 59. Penn from Virginia Tech was the number 2 pick of the Cowboys last year, and they want very much for him to win a starting job. They just feel he's a superb athlete, could do a lot of good things in that defense.
Ernie Stautner has really issued the challenge to 2 of these Cowboys that they should be stepping forward. Penn is one, and Kevin Brooks, their number 1 draft pick last year, is the other. Both those players in the ball game right now. Strangely enough, Randy White and Billy Bates both still in there. I'm sure because they want to play themselves into good shape. But
that is somewhat unusual. Fuller, he's going to tuck it away. And Steve Fuller is at the end zone. Is he in? No, down at the 1-yard line. Fuller from Clemson. He was the number 1 pick of the Kansas City Chiefs in '79. Eventually traded to the Rams and then found his way to the Bears as the backup to McMahon. Was a key performer last year.
He certainly was able to keep them in some ball games with McMahon's injury. And this is vintage McMahon running with the football. Fuller not known for his speed, and look at him diving in there. And here comes the refrigerator.
And the fans recognizing Perry, 72 in the backfield. And they would love it dearly if he should score. There's no question of, you could put all the teams together. They didn't get as much publicity as William Perry did himself this past week in London.
Ditka put 2 plays in for him earlier this week. Let's see what they run.
Perry, is he in? He struggles, and he's got a touchdown.
He hit about 6 Dallas Cowboys right on the line of scrimmage and just kept going like a bulldozer. Look at him. He's just laughing. A 316 plus, and how many stone? 22.5 stone.
Tough to skip that stone.
Boy, I'll tell you, he bounced into the end zone.
Well, he didn't have a hole, just created his own room.
Now watch him here. 1 hit, 2 hits, 3, 4, 5. You keep counting, and Perry keeps moving forward. One more time.
To the chorus of the fans here at Wembley. Point. Really a carnival feeling at Wembley, and they have received due payment for the ticket price. They've seen the refrigerator score.
All start on offense, so they'll go back and move it back 5 yards and kick it again. Talking to someone yesterday, and he said, "I hope you hear the Wembley rule." And I said, "What is that?" And he said, "You've never really lived until you've listened to the fans here. They chant, they sing." Of course, they really have added to the spice of this game here so far today.
Butler's try for point out of Fuller's hold from 5 yards farther away. And he's got it. So the Bears move up 14-3 on William the Refrigerator Perry's touchdown. We have 1 minute 54 seconds remaining in this first half. Russell Wilsmer from Great Britain, just signed by the Bears, kicks off but short. Levette at the 15. Trying to get outside, cannot, across the 20 to the 22. Let's go back to the Perry touchdown from the defensive perspective. And right at number 54, Randy White. There's White, 54, lined up at the inside just off the center. And Perry will come right at you, and it's strictly a matter of his overpowering. He stopped, but struggles and struggles, and while 7 of the Cowboys had a piece of him, the biscuit has scored.